Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about immediate monetization of your subscriber list. Now, we've already talked about the fact that you're going to want to have an autoresponder where you have people opting in to get something very special and immediate and beneficial and important to them in order to get their names and email addresses so that you can email them later. Now, one of the secrets of being able to work with the subscriber list is that you can do what some bloggers are able to do when you have established trust, and that is to monetize the list immediately. So the first contact, if you will literally send your new subscribers to an offer. Now, when you do this, it's good to do this on the thank you page because your subscribers are still new and they're getting used to the way that you are going to do things. Of course, you can either send them to an affiliate offer or you can send them to an offer that you have created yourself, or a product, information product that you've created yourself. And I'll show you what that looks like with probably one of the larger bloggers that you may have seen, and I'm going to show you their website here. If you go to buzzblogger.com, the blogger's name is Kim Roach, and Kim Roach, for the most part, right away gives you the opportunity to get her email updates. Now, this autoresponder, or this capture page, is literally an autoresponder. That's all it is. A little bit of code, and we'll actually show you this in a later video, in a bonus video. But she is collecting names and email addresses, and so what you'll do here is you will enter your name and email address. And what's going to happen is you're going to be sent an email that will allow you to confirm that you want the information. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what you'll actually see when you confirm the email. You'll be brought to a thank you page that looks something like this. So when you set up your autoresponder, you'll have the opportunity to set up your own thank you page. And you want to set up your thank you page so that you can monetize your list immediately. Now, in order to monetize your list immediately, you'll give them the free report, as you see Kim Roach doing here, but you will also be able to give them access to an offer. Remember, we talked about the fact that it should be immediate and of great benefit to them. So she says here's her #1 tool for creating killer squeeze pages. Now, if you're not working in the make money online niche, and you are doing something in a niche like weight loss or dog training, you'll want to cover something, or you want to send them to an offer that is of great importance now to them. So it really should be something that's fairly new and something that's going to teach them something important. So what happens when you click this link on her thank you page? You'll notice that this now sends you to an affiliate offer. Now, this is not her product. This is a well-known product in the make money online niche. And if you were to buy this product, she would get credit for the sale. Now, but I want you to do is to think about that in your niche. What would it be like for you to send your subscribers, your brand new subscribers, to an immediate offer? Some are going to be ready to buy right away. Some are going to be ready to buy based on the immediacy on that thank you page. Now, in other cases, you may not want to do that because you're trying to establish trust, and you may not want to do an immediate offer. You may want to wait until you've sent a couple of messages before you send an offer to your email subscriber list. But to monetize immediately is a strategy that you can use on the thank you page, because you'll never have them You'll never have subscribers as more willing to listen to your advice than when you first have them opt into your page. So as you think about this, think about some of the offers. Maybe you want to find a ClickBank offer. Maybe you want to find something that will really work for you. But you can literally find a great offer that will allow you then to monetize your list right away. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.